Can you repeat the question, actually, because I kind of got off topic a little bit.
No, it was great. I was asking about what the role of the performing artist is.
Oh, I guess, I mean, maybe I said it. It's to, it's to remind people about this music, just to reinforce it. Jewish music still exists and pound it into their heads. And also to remind people it's always evolving. I mean, the new repertoire of Yiddish or Jewish music that I'm writing is, the instrumental stuff, at least, the instrumental music, is based on the modes and some of the rhythms of traditional klezmer music, but it's entirely modern. I'll write something that's maybe more traditional sounding, but then I'll write something with has a kind of an underlying rock beat or whatnot, and some of the chromaticisms that I use are totally non-traditional, maybe borrow a little more from avant-garde or jazz world, and it's to remind people that, yeah, there is traditional music, but you can toy around with it and bring it to this century, this millennium.